Do you struggle with stress, anxiety, or the feeling that you can't catch your breath and you don't know how to change it? You're not alone. In this video, I'll guide you through a powerful breathing technique that can help you reclaim calm, clarity, and control. So stay with me. This may change the way you feel, move, and live. Hello, I'm Bastiaan from MindBodyInMotion, and today I want to talk to you about something we all do but often take for granted: breathing. In today's fast-paced world, we live under constant pressure, always reacting, doing and rushing. And in the middle of all that, many of us lose touch with our bodies and with our breath. We end up breathing high in the chest, shallow, fast and tense. This triggers the sympathetic nervous system, the fight-or-flight mode, leading to more anxiety, poor sleep, tight shoulders and emotional imbalances. Science shows that dysfunctional breathing patterns are linked to chronic stress, fatigue, poor digestion and even low athletic performance. But breathing isn't just something that happens to us, it's something we can train. In my own journey, discovering abdominal breathing helped me manage stress, recover faster after workouts and feel more grounded in daily life. And I want to help you experience that same shift. In traditional Chinese medicine, breathing is deeply connected to your vital energy, your qi. Deep breathing nourishes your lungs, gently massages organs like the liver and kidneys, and brings harmony to the entire system. That's why today I'll guide you through a simple practice to reconnect with your breath and with your center. Let's begin. Find a quiet space. You can lie down with a pillow under your head, sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or in lotus position. The key is to feel relaxed and upright. Close your eyes. Turn your attention inward. There is nothing to do just yet. Simply feel. Rest your hands on your knees, arms gently rounded and relaxed, palms facing up in a gesture of openness. Soften your forehead and relax your jaw. Let your shoulders drop naturally. Feel the contact between your body and the ground or the chair. Allow yourself to let go a little more with each exhale. Inhale and exhale through your nose, softly and naturally. This moment is just for you. Now, place one hand over your belly and the other on your chest. Stay upright and simply observe. Where does your body move as you breathe? In your chest? In your belly? Feel the rhythm. Is your breath fast, shallow, or deeper and slower? Notice the temperature of the air as it flows in and out. Observation is the first step toward transformation. You're awakening your awareness. Now bring your attention to the center of your lower abdomen, your center of gravity, just about 2 fingers below your navel. Imagine there's a balloon there, a warm, soft balloon. As you inhale, the balloon gently expands, and as you exhale, it slowly deflates. Feel your attention begin to settle, your mind starting to quiet as you connect to this deep inner center. This is where your balance lives, and remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. Allow your belly to expand in all directions as you inhale without moving your chest, and to gently lower as you exhale. No force, no rush, like a wave, soft and steady. This is your natural breath. You're activating your vagus nerve, a direct gateway to the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and restore mode. Breathing this way enhances your oxygen intake, relaxes your chest, your neck and your mind. And most importantly, it brings the control back to you. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. You have already taken a step toward a life of greater calm, energy and presence. This isn't something you need to search for. It's already within you. You just need to remember and practice. Just a few minutes a day is enough to reconnect with yourself through the breath. When you train your body in breath awareness, you don't just reduce stress. You sharpen your focus, regulate your emotions, make better choices, and even improve your sleep and recovery. Breathing is the bridge between your body and mind. It's your anchor when life feels overwhelming. And when you learn to master it, you start taking back control of how you feel and how you live. If this practice helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs it too. You're on the path now, and I'm here to guide you. See you in the next video.